What's up, guys? My name's Chris Warrens here from Warrior Time, and today we're reviewing one of the most iconic Audemars and watches ever made, the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Jumbo Thin 6202 ST. Now, this isn't just a watch. This is a piece of modern watchmaking history. The Royal Oak changed the entire luxury sports watch game when it first launched back in 1972, which is almost mid-century at this point. It made stainless steel feel just as luxurious as gold. And 50 years later, the 6202 ST carries pretty much the same DNA, just updated for the modern era. Okay, let's start with the design because that's really where the magic begins. We've got that instantly recognizable octagonal bezel with 8 white gold screws and satin brushing, and polished bevels that catch the light like nothing else. Now, the case size is pretty unique at 39 millimeters for AP. It's the exact same dimensions as the original 5402 Jumbo from the 70s, which is really interesting. And I'll be honest, on the wrist, it just feels perfect. It's slim, it's refined, it slides under a cuff easily. The case thickness is only 8.1 millimeters, which makes it actually one of the thinnest automatic watches in the world. The bracelet integration is flawless. Every link tapers and flows into the case, that classic Royal Oak style. It's that combination of industrial design and fine finishing that really sets AP apart. Now let's talk about the dial. It's a little bit different than other Royal Oaks because this is where collectors fall in love. You've got a petite tapisserie pattern opposed to a mega tapisserie pattern. And in this case, then the smoky blue color changes with the light. It's subtle, it's elegant, and it's full of character. Applied white gold hour markers, slim hands, and that perfectly balanced date window at 3 o'clock. The Audemars Piguet logo is back at the 12 o'clock, printed just like the original, not applied. That's a nod to the heritage. Everything about this dial screams understated perfection. Now, when it comes to the inside, the movement, we got a new caliber 7121 replacing the legendary 2121 movement. This is the first brand new movement developed specifically for the Jumbo since 1972, which is pretty epic. It's automatic, runs at 28,800 vibrations an hour, and gives you a 55-hour power reserve. It's slightly thicker than the old caliber, which adds a touch of stability and durability. Something collectors have actually been asking for, which is new to me. And the finishing on the movement, pure AP. Geneva stripes, polished bevels, gold rotor engraved with Audemars Piguet coat of arms. You can admire it all through the sapphire case back, which it is a beautiful movement to look at. Now let's talk numbers, because I know that's where you guys really are interested, especially when it comes to the 6202. The MSRP sits at $38,000. The problem is getting it at MSRP. Everybody wants the Jumbo. Very few get it. So good luck getting it at retail. These trade on the secondary market between $75,000 and $90,000 in the steel, depending on the condition and the set. Why the premium? It's simple. Scarcity, legacy, collectability. AP doesn't make many of these annually. Every piece is hand finished, and this reference being the 50th anniversary model of the original Royal Oak has historical weight that makes it a grail for collectors. So, is the 6202 ST the king of luxury sports watches? In my opinion, yeah, it holds the crown. And it's unexpected too. Especially if you like big APs typically, you don't even realize the 39 millimeter Jumbo is this epic. It's balanced, it's timeless, and it's absolutely masterful in every detail. There are plenty of great integrated bracelet watches out there, the Nautilus, the Overseas, even some indie pieces. But the Royal Oak Jumbo, that's the blueprint. If you want a watch that's not just beautiful, but also cornerstone of modern horology, this is it. If you're looking to add a Royal Oak or any high-end piece to your collection, check out Warrior Time's store. We have everything in the show notes below. Every watch is authenticated, gone through, torn apart, inspected, and it's backed by our guarantee and warranty. We've helped hundreds of collectors find their next piece, whether it's AP, Patek, Rolex, Omega, and we'd love to help you too. As said, links are in the description. So there you have it, the Audemars Piguet's Royal Oak Jumbo Thin 6202, elegant, iconic, and close to perfection as watch design gets. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. Would you take a Jumbo or would you take a Nautilus? I'm Chris Warrens with Warrior Time, and I'll see you next time. Peace.